The Apple Pencil is a must-have when taking notes or drawing on the iPad. The main feature is the double tap. So you're gonna double tap on the flat side and that switches you from pencil to eraser. So let's say I'm writing. If I wanna switch now to an eraser, I can just double tap and erase. Normally, if you don't have the Apple Pencil, you're gonna use your stylus and you have to come up here and click pencil, and then you have to come up here and click eraser before you can erase again. So it's really just the convenience. Apple makes everything in its ecosystem super seamless and easy. So you can change the thickness of the pen simply by pressing harder or softer on the iPad. So let's say I'm writing normally, I'll write that, but let's say I want to go thicker, so I just press even harder down and it's thicker. So it's really cool and saves you time, because otherwise you have to go up here and adjust the pen thickness there. So overall, the Apple Pencil is a must-have when taking notes or drawing on the iPad.